Norris Dam, the first dam built by the Tennessee Valley Authority to provide flood control and power to the Tennessee River Valley and to support agricultural and industrial development of the valley. To spur economic development, the area immediately below the Norris Dam, known as the Norris Reservation, was set aside for experimentation with native and non-native woody plant species that had the potential to provide valley landowners with a relatively quick cash crop. Today, visitors to the area may be unaware that they are walking among remnants of two TVA programs, the Tree Crop and the Tree Improvement programs, which now serve as a living history of the early TVA plant-based research. Some of the historic plantings are marked with signs, while others blend in with encroaching vegetation. The Jujube apple orchard was originally a variety test of different cultivars planted in the 1940s by the Tree Crops program. Jujubes are thought to be native to southern Asia and were domesticated over 11,000 years ago. The fruits are eaten fresh or as a candied dry fruit. Next to the Jujube orchard is a solitary, unmarked mandarin melonberry tree. Similar to jujubes, melonberry is an Asian species with a long history of domestication. Melonberries are distantly related to the North American Osage orange, but the fruit is not poisonous. Ripe fruits are red and have a sweet taste with a melon-like aftertaste. TVA selected honey locust trees bearing heavy crops of pods that were palatable by cattle. They grafted these trees for use in agroforestry experiments. If you look closely, the original graft that took place decades ago can still be seen on the trunk. The destruction of American chestnut by chestnut blight prompted the testing of Asian chestnuts as a replacement for the American chestnut. Although the Asian trees were resistant to the pathogen, their growth habit did not allow them to compete well with native species in North American forests. Asian oak species, including the semi-evergreen Faber's oak, often grew as well as native species but tended to be invasive. TVA's efforts in tree improvement came later than the Tree Crops program, starting in the late 1950s. The best naturally growing trees in the Tennessee River Valley were found and grafted, as seen in this white oak orchard. Today, walking paths cut through the grafted orchards alongside the Clinch River. Here again, you can see the decades-old graft line in the trunk of the tree. Although the TVA Tree Crop and Tree Improvement programs were suspended long ago, a cooperative effort between TVA and the University of Tennessee's Tree Improvement Program is again planting studies and seed orchards on Norris Reservation, incorporating some of the materials from this living history of past research programs. Seed from these plantings will be used to restore or enrich future forests in the Tennessee River Valley.